Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos similar to this or like this. I post a video every Friday and Tuesday. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So let's get into this video, shall we? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn a bad hair day into a fabulous hair day. As you can see, my hair is a little just not how I want it right now. So let's get into this. So what you're going to want to do is to get a spray bottle with water in it. Hot water or cold water is fine, but preferably hot water. That will open the cuticles and you'll get more moisture in. So let's do that. I'm gonna wet my hair till it's damp. So let's do this. My hair is pretty wet and damp. I'm gonna take some conditioner and I'm gonna be using Urban Naturals. All the products I'm using will be linked down in the description down below. So I'm gonna bring this in my hair. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna show you what to do. Take that much, and what you're gonna do is you're not gonna rake it in. You're just gonna lightly put it over, separate your hair into parts, and you're gonna rope it. So basically, you're just gonna squish it in. Basically what this does, it keeps your curl pattern and gives it a little more definition as I've seen. So just keep doing this. I'm going to continue on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm basically just, this is for both ends, and I'm going to squish to condish, and yes, that's an actual thing. So you're just going to do this, basically, and you're just going to go, and you're just going to squish that in there, and you're going to continue this on the other side, so I'm going to be back. Okay, so now that you did that, you want to keep the moisture in, so you're going to get some coconut oil. So you can get some little bit, and you just take the tiniest bit. Let me show you. You're going to take like this little bit, I'm just going to melt it in my fingers. Just melt it around. Okay, so now it's melted, so you're just gonna do this. And you're just gonna do that on the other side too. Done with that, you're gonna take some Aloe Vera Gel or any other hair gel you have. I'm using some aloe gel. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it in my hair on both sides. Once you've done the aloe vera gel, you can do another gel, which I'm going to be using is Oat Gel. It's a DIY one that I made, and if you want to see how that's made, I'll link the video down below. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm going to just smooth it over my hair and scrunch it in. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take some of the gel, just a little bit. I'm just going to go over almost all the curls. I'm just going to do this twice. is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna plop my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back and do something else, and we'll see what happens. Oh. So I've been plopping for about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out now. Whoa. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my root hairs over here and I'm gonna twirl them, finger coil them, and I'm gonna clip them with a clip. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this until the air dries, and then I'll be back with the results. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so it's dry, so now I'm just gonna take these clips out and scrunch the crunch. So let me do that. Okay, so this is like, I love this. Okay, so for my final thing, I'm just gonna mix some salt and some water in a little container. I'm gonna spray it on, so yeah. If you want to know how I make the sea salt spray, it's just, you can go watch my DIY video, which I'll be linking down below. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is how you turn a bad hair day into a fabulous hair day. I freaking love this. Oh my gosh, look at that volume. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's take a good look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time,